channel Simple Creations by Zia, and today we are doing the unboxing of my dream machine, Brother Scan and Cut DX model. It's SDX1000 model. So a technician came from Brother for installing the machine, and here it's just like we have opened the box and removing the stuff from it, and the machine came very well packed and everything was made secure. And I also like the way that it was having kind of like those thermocol stuffings, so that the machine was prevented from any damage while transportation. So here is the first look of the machine, and the machine came with a power cord cable. It also came with a manual, and there was a sticky mat with it. The sticky mat is also kind of like a standard grip mat with the cardstock free inside. Then this is the machine, and we will go and remove all the extra tapes, that blue tacky tapes which are put in there to keep the paper and the machine secured. So I kind of waited a very long time for buying this machine, as it's a very expensive one, and after seeing it on my table I was so happy. If you are a crafter, you will understand what I'm trying to say here, but I was in love with the machine. The machine also has these two pockets which are very useful, like you can store your tools, blades, extra stuff in there. And it also came with a pouch which included a spatula and a stylus, which you can use on the screen, like that small place where you can design without using a computer. You can do some cuts only with the machine. So let's put the machine, switch it on and see what it does. So here the machine is making the first cut. I used golden card foil cardstock for it, and to be honest, it was pretty quick and sturdy. Very less noise was there, and it was very silent and silently doing its job. And it took hardly 25 to 30 seconds for the machine to cut this beautiful snowflake. So I kind of kept it at the normal speed, but now what I'm showing you is at double speed. I tried to trace these images, like I wanted to try the scan and cut function of the machine, so I printed these out for cake toppers, and the machine does the job very well. It scanned the images, and I also traced the outline, which kind of gives you the cutting line. Okay, so this is how the result is, and I'm absolutely happy with it. I'll also show you what other things I have created using this machine. So here are some cake toppers which I did. It took some time, but yes, it's amazing. Then I did some cardicals. These are different kind of vinyl cuts. Then I also tried doing the trending magnetic bookmarks, some die cuts for cards and scrapbooking. It does the job, but you have to figure out like configuration, the settings, pressure and all. The auto blade does it all on its own. You just have to keep an eye on the machine while cutting. The only thing I would like to mention is that the mat loses its stickiness really quickly. Like after few cuts, you can't stick it properly. Let me know if you want to know anything else about the machine. I would love to come and share it with you. Please like, subscribe and comment on this video. Until next time, happy crafting!